If you want to work around with other people in real time, then what you can do is you can invite out people to this particular report and then work around with it simultaneously. So to do that, you can go around onto the share option right here, and you can type in the email address of the person that you want to share and work with. So I'm going to go around and type in my email address, my second email address, as you can see right here, and I'm going to select Can Edit and hit the send button. So once I do that, what happens is that this will be shared out with the other person, and they will be able to go around and access out your file. So they will get an email like this, as you can see. So here's the sales example right here. So they can click on open, and on their browser, they will be able to access out the Data Studio file right here. And as soon as they go around and then get online, they can go around and click on edit, because you have given them editing privileges. And now you can see on the top who is online right here. You can click right here and you can see that if I were to go around and resize, you can see that the other person is actually working. They can go around and then they can move around. And you can also click here and see where they are actually working right here. You can see that this file is being worked on by the other user, and now this is being selected. Similarly, if you were to select this and move this, the other person right here will be able to see that you are actually working around with this, as you can see. And over here, you can see that you can constantly go around and then work around with the same file at the same time. So you can work. So one person can be working around in one page while the other person on the other page, or on the same page, as you can see right here. So that is how you can collaborate real time inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.